Hello everyone, today I will show you how to crochet a rose bag. In this video here I am using Bentley double knit yarn and also 4mm of crochet hook. So let's get started and make it with me. So we start with the magic ring. So wrap yarn around your finger like this 2 times, you see clearly. Now insert your hook into the first below side, like insert your hook and pull the second yarn through the loop. Here we have first loop on hook. Next you're gonna make chain on this loop. Just make 2 chain on top, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop. Here we have 2 chain. Next we're gonna make half double crochet stitch into the magic ring, yarn over, insert your hook into the magic ring, pull the yarn. Here we have 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. Repeat same pattern, yarn over, insert your hook into the magic ring, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. Again yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loops. You see clearly half double crochet stitches. Just repeat the same pattern, make total of 16 half double crochet inside the magic ring. Just yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop and complete the total of 16 half double crochet stitches. Here my 16 half double crochet stitches complete. Next we will close the magic ring. Now pull the leftover yarn tightly and close the stitches together. Just pull it tightly like this. You see clearly how look it is. Just pull it tightly and close the magic ring. After pulling the yarn, next we will make slip stitch into the first half double crochet. Insert your hook into the loop and insert your hook into the first half double crochet and pull the yarn twice. Here I make first slip stitch. My first round complete, you see clearly. Now for the next round, just 2 chain on top and next we will make double crochet into the back loop only. Like you see clearly, we have 2 chain loop on top. Just chain 2 on top at the beginning of new row and start new row with 2 chain. Next we're gonna make half double crochet stitches only in back loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop of chain like here, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. This is the first pair. Now in this row we will make 2 half double crochet stitch in each chain below but only in back loop, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loops. You see clearly. Again yarn over, insert your hook into the same chain, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. Make 2 pair of half double crochet stitch in each chain below and only in back loop. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. Repeat the same pattern, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. Complete this row and reach into the last until you complete the total of 32 half double crochet stitches. Here my second round complete. Now insert your hook into the again first of half double crochet and make slip stitch, insert your hook and pull the yarn twice. My second row complete. Now at the beginning of new row we will make again the total of 2 chain on top and just repeat the same pattern of second row. The pattern is 2 pair of half double crochet stitch in each chain below. Like this is the first pair, insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. You see clearly how look it is. Just repeat the same pattern. At the beginning of new row we will start with 2 chain and then we will start 2 pair of half double crochet stitch and complete the total of 6 rows. Here my 6 rows complete, you see clearly. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comment. Now in the last we will make slip stitch, insert your hook, pull the yarn twice. After making last slip stitch, chain 1 on top, just chain 1, pull the yarn over and cut it with your scissors. After cutting the yarn, pull the leftover yarn tightly and secure your work in the end. Just pull it tightly like this. You see clearly how look it is. Next we're gonna make the flower leaves on the upper chain you see clearly. This chain will be make when we make half double crochet stitches only in back loop. The first chain will be gonna be up. So let's get started and make it. You see clearly here I already make one flower. Now I will show you how to crochet a rose leaf pattern. Now insert your hook into the first chain like this. Again hold yarn like in fingers. Next we're gonna make slip knot, yarn over and just pull it like this. After pulling the yarn, chain 2 again on top. In this pattern we will make again this half double crochet stitch. Next we're gonna make 9 double crochet stitches in next 9 chains like here. Yarn over the hook, insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. Again yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. Repeat the same pattern, make the total of 9 half double crochet stitches in first row and reach into the last chain. Here my first round complete with 9 half double crochet stitches in 9 chains. Now for the next round, chain 2 on top and just turn your work. Chain 2 on top and just turn your work. Next we're gonna make 2 pair of half double crochet stitch in each chain below and complete the total of 18 half double crochet stitches. This is the first pair. Now insert your hook into the next chain and make again 2 pair of half double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop like this. Repeat the same pattern, make the total of 18 half double crochet on second round. Here you see clearly my 18 half double crochet stitch is complete. Now in third round we will make single crochet stitch. For third round, chain 1 on top, chain 1 on top only for single crochet stitch. After making chain 1, just turn your work again. Next we're gonna make 1 single crochet in each chain below and complete the total of 18 single crochet stitches. Insert your hook, pull the yarn, 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it into 2 loop. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loop. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loop. Repeat the same pattern, make 1 single crochet stitch in each chain below and reach into the last and complete the total of 18 single crochet stitches. Here my 18 single crochet stitch is complete. Now after completing 18 single crochet, skip 5 chain from the next and insert your hook into the 6th chain and make slip stitch. Just insert your hook and pull the yarn twice. After pull the yarn twice, chain 1 on top, pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissors like this. After cutting the yarn, pull the leftover yarn tightly and secure your work in that. Next we're gonna hide the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Just insert your hook into the stitches and pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches. This step is for making your work neat and clean, so hide all the leftover yarn after completing your work. Now here you see clearly my first petal is first round complete. You see clearly. Now in second round we will increase 1 leaf, like make total of 2 leaves. Just repeat the same pattern, increase 1 leaf in every row, and in the last row we will have the total of 6 rows. Now for the next row we will make total of 2 leaves. I will show you clearly, and in next rows you will repeat the same pattern and complete the total of 6 rows. Again we will make first slip stitch. Just insert your hook, yarn over and pull it like this. After pulling the yarn, 2 chain on top, Now in next 9 chain we will make the total of 19 of half double crochet stitches. After completing the half double crochet stitches, just make turn and make total of 18 half double crochet stitches on top. First we will make the total of 9 half double crochet stitches in the base of 9 chains. Here my 9 half double crochet stitches complete, 2 chain on top, turn your work. Now in second round we will make the total of 18 half double crochet stitches, like 2 pair of half double crochet stitch in each chain below, and complete the total of 18 half double crochet stitches. Here my 18 half double crochet stitches, chain 1 on top. Next we're gonna make again single crochet stitch, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into toe loop, and complete the total of 18 single crochet stitches on top, like in total of 18 chains below. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comments. Like this, my first flower pattern in second round complete. Now insert your hook into the 6th chain, like skip 5 chain, insert your hook into the 6th chain and make slip stitch. Just make slip stitch. After making slip stitch, chain 2 on top. For the next leaf pattern, just chain 2 and just repeat the pattern of leaf and complete the total of second leaf and reach into the last. Here my second leaf complete. Now again skip 5 chain, insert your hook into the 6th chain and make slip stitch. Insert your hook like here and make slip stitch. Just pull the yarn twice. After making slip stitch, chain 1 on top, pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissors. After cutting the yarn, pull the leftover yarn tightly and secure your work in the end. Next we will repeat the same pattern and hide the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Insert your hook into the stitches and pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Again I will remind you, this step is for making your work neat and clean, so make sure you will hide all the leftover yarn inside the stitches for making your work neat and clean. You see clearly, second round we will make the total of 2 leaves. Now just repeat the same pattern, make the total of 6 leaves in 6th round and just complete this pattern. Now in third leaf we will make the total of 3 leaves. Like this, in every row we will increase the total of 1 leaf and complete the total of 6th round. Here my 6th round complete. You see clearly how look it is. Tell me now in the comment. I make total of 2 rose flower with same pattern. Next we will join them together with the help of single crochet stitch. First we will assemble it and join together with the help of single crochet, and into the last we will leave the total of 2 leaves into the end. Now insert your hook into the both side, like in both chains, and make slip stitch first. Again hold yarn like in fingers like this and make slip knot first. Just yarn over, pull it. After pulling the yarn, just chain 1 on top and then we will start the pattern of half double crochet stitch. Here I make chain 1 on top, insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn. Here we have 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it into 2 loop. Insert your hook into the next chain into the both rows pattern, pull the yarn, yarn over, pull it into 2 loops. Again insert your hook into the next both flowers, pull the yarn, yarn over, pull it into 2 loops. You see clearly. Insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn, yarn over, pull it into 2 loops. This is the single crochet pattern. You see clearly. I will join it together. So if you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comments. You see clearly how look it is. Just repeat the same pattern. Join both flower with each other until you reach into the end. Here I complete the total of flower pattern. In the last I will leave the total of 2 flower leaf pattern. Now last chain one on top, pull the extra yarn over with it and just cut it with your scissors. This yarn is for making your back strap. Now pull the leftover yarn tightly through the loop and secure your work in the end. You see clearly how look it is. Next we will insert some beads into this yarn with the help of needle. So let's get started and insert it. These beads I am using in this video for this tutorial. So let's get started and insert. Here I am using crochet needle. For inserting bead inside, just insert your bead inside the needle and pull it tightly like this. Here I am inserting total of 30 beads for the back strap. So you can insert beads according to your need, like according to your back strap length. Here I am total inserted inside. You see clearly how look it is. Now in the last we will make a knot. Insert your hook, like insert your needle and pull the yarn tightly first. After pulling the yarn tightly, we will make a knot. Insert your needle, yarn over the needle and pull it tightly. Again make a knot one more, like for making your work secure. Insert your needle, yarn over the needle and pull it tightly. Next we will hide the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Again repeat the same pattern. Insert your needle inside the stitches and pull the leftover yarn just inside the stitches. I will show you clearly in this video. So if you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comments. After pulling the yarn inside the stitches, just cut it with your scissors, the leftover yarn like this. You see clearly my work look neat and clean. Next I will attach 2 pearl just inside the flower on both sides. Here I am using gun glue stick for attaching the pearl inside it. Just add some glue on top and attach it inside the flower. You see clearly how look it is. Just repeat the same pattern on other side like this. Next we will attach a magnet. This is a magnet and attach it inside the bag for making your bag secure, like here. This is the complete and final look. So if you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more crochet ideas. So stay with me for my next crochet tutorial. Allah Hafiz.